Here are the top 10 movies with the highest domestic box office. We're going to use this data to make column charts. It's pretty easy, but be sure to stay till the end for formatting requirements for our assignments. If you want to create a column chart of domestic box office, click and drag to select the titles and domestic box office earnings. Go to Insert, find this button here, Column. Click on that and select the first button, Clustered Column. And that's it. If you only want worldwide box office, which is all the way to the right in the chart, here's how you select the data. Select titles normally with click and drag, then hold on to Command or Control for Windows and click and drag to select worldwide box office. Again, go to Insert, Column, Cluster Column. If you want to compare domestic and international box office side by side, click and drag to select the titles and both domestic and international earnings. Go to the same place, Insert, Column, Cluster Column. Now you can see the domestic box office and international box office of each movie together. If you want to stack these two columns together, select the same data, go to Insert, Column, and go to the second button, Stacked Column. Now you can see the international box office is stacked above domestic box office. The two types of box office combined is actually worldwide box office. This chart is very useful. Here you can see the highest worldwide box office is Avengers Endgame. If you look at Titanic, it's about number 5 in domestic box office, but is number 3 in worldwide box office. Finally, if you want to compare them in terms of percentages on a column chart, select the same data, Insert, Column, and move to the third button, 100% Stacked Column. This is useful if you want to know, say, which movies are about 50-50 in terms of domestic and international. You can see Incredibles 2 is very close to 50-50. Also Star Wars Episode 7, Episode 8, and Black Panther. You can also see for movies like Avengers Endgame and Avatar, they have a lot of international audience compared to domestic audience. But this chart only shows percents. It doesn't show you that Episode 7 has higher box office numbers than Incredibles 2. To see that, you need to use one of the other two column charts. Formatting. Never just leave your chart sitting like this. Right-click anywhere on the chart, select Move Chart, and select New Sheets. This moves the chart onto a tab of its own. Set all font sizes to 12. Be sure to get the legends too. And set the title to 16 font and bold. Give it an appropriate name. That's it. Thanks for watching.